Hi everyone, I have David from Polkadot with me, and you would call it Web3 Foundations, David, right?
Yeah.
And you may have many questions, but I'll leave those questions to the panel we are having today. But for now, David, how's the vibe here at the Rollup AppChain Day?
Crazy. A lot of nice people, a lot of people we are working together with. So really, really great.
And we at Zeeve, we've been working with the Polkadot ecosystem for some time. We've been building the ZombieNet automation UI. We've been trying to contribute to the Ink Playground as well. And now we have created the whole new thing with the help of Web3 Foundation, the Parachain Automation Toolkit, through which you can deploy Parachains in one click. We call it Peruse.
Yeah.
So what are your views on such a tool? How beneficial it is for the new projects?
It's extremely beneficial. So it's ultimately what we need in our ecosystem, and making it easier to deploy solutions and getting feedback and getting quick access to product market fit. And yeah, that's exactly what we need and what we didn't have in the past.
And I think the great thing was that Web3 Foundation really helped us create it and make it open source. So it's not going to be a trouble when you're a developer and you want to quickly launch a Parachain. You can use the open source and test it out completely.
Yeah.
And I think one question you must be getting asked a lot nowadays is, what is going to happen to Parachains once Jam kicks in?
Yeah.
Of course.
They still will exist and still be available. So ultimately with Jam, we want to support as many different kinds of implementation as possible. So depending on what you need actually for your use case, if you are more like an established brand, you already have users, then Parachains are the options. If you just want to test something, then maybe more on the EVM side, Solidity smart contracts. So we want ultimately support everything.
And I think this is a now big understanding which is getting deeper into the ecosystem, that Polkadot is not different. You can have EVM, you can have non-EVM, whatsoever you would want. It is a flexible ecosystem. It gives you ability to uniquely twist it to the use case requirements. So it's not a limitation, but it's a flexibility it can for you in your projects. Now, when it comes to EVMs, earlier people used to think that Ethereum is one and Polkadot is another ecosystem. But overall, as we see Rollups and layer 2, layer 3 chains are coming around, we believe that with Gem, specifically designed to cater to Rollups, is going to be helping the whole Web3 narrative grow together and stronger.
Yeah, definitely. So that's where we are pretty strong at, where we have all this experience with Substrate that was used also by different projects in the past. And yeah, that's I think where we have an advantage to other ecosystems.
And we are building more on Peruse, but that has to come later. And you should look forward to the panel today with David, where he'll be talking about what is going to happen with Jam in the future, as well as the new things the Polkadot is doing to make the ecosystem stronger overall. So it's a common goal we all are working towards.
Definitely. Ultimately, we want to increase the adoption, and we are just at the start, basically.
Yeah, so it's fantastic having you, David, here, and we would hear the lovely wisdom you'll have on the panel as well. And let's build together a better Web3.
Sounds great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.